Hey guys, it's James with Fourth Wall Reviews, back again with another flag from my collection. This time, it's actually a combination of two different flags. It is the Sons of Liberty Rebellious Stripes combined with the political cartoon that was made by Benjamin Franklin, known as the political cartoon known as Join or Die, that was made by Benjamin Franklin. Now, the traditional Join or Die flag is solid white. This one, however, contains the chopped up rattlesnake, which is chopped up into 13 individual pieces and symbolizes the 13 colonies. I guess you could say it symbolizes them acting on their own. And the phrase join or die was a phrase used to unite Americans during the American Revolutionary War. The symbol of the chopped up rattlesnake symbolized that if we don't join together, our hopes for being a nation will perish. And I think it's quite symbolic that it is the chopped up rattlesnake on the 9 rebellious stripes of the Sons of Liberty flag with the phrase join or die on it. Now, the Sons of Liberty were really the group that started the American Revolution to an extent. And this is just a variation of two different flags mashed into one. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, subscribe. We don't only break the fourth wall, we shatter it.